How do you like my YouTube channel? Oh yeah? Well, you ain't seen nothing yet. Ain't. Ain't expresses am not, is not, are not, have not, and has not, all in one verb. In almost all cases, it's considered informal, and I would be very cautious about using it in any formal, professional, or business situations. One exception about the word ain't is that it can be used with another negative. In most cases in English, you can't use double negatives. But, or however, with the word ain't, it's considered acceptable. For example, I am not never getting out of here. That's a double negative. I am not never getting out of here. You would have to say, I am never getting out of here, or I'm not ever getting out of here. I ain't never getting out of here. In this situation, it's acceptable. A lot of people have been asking me about the word ain't, and I have to admit, I had some misgivings about teaching this word on my channel. The thing is, it's often associated with either a lower socioeconomic status or a lesser education, and I wasn't sure how I felt about making this one of my first YouTube videos. But that said, this stigma that's been attached to the word doesn't apply in all cases. There's certainly a lot of catchphrases that you can use, or informal phrases in conversational English that allow you to have a bit of fun with the word ain't. So let's talk about those today. Okay, one expression. Ain't it the truth? This expression means the same thing as that's so true. These teenagers spend all day on their TikToks. Woof! Ain't it the truth? Like, yeah, that's really true. That's so true. Another expression, ain't no thing. Ain't no thing expresses it's no big deal. It's no problem. For example, thank you so much for helping me with my homework. Poof! Ain't no thing. I don't mind at all. Ain't that a crying shame? Ain't that a crying shame? This is a bit old-fashioned, and what it means is, too bad, I'm so sorry. It's often used sarcastically. Yeah, I invited him, but it seems he can't come. Ain't that a crying shame? If you mean this sarcastically, what you're trying to say is who cares, or it's better if he doesn't come. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If it's not broken, if it more or less still functions, then don't interfere. Don't mess with it. Let it be. This could apply to physical things. For example, if you have a bookshelf and you don't really like the color or the style, and you say to someone, I was thinking about getting a new bookshelf for that corner of the room. They could say, well, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like, it holds books, why bother? It could also apply to something more conceptual, like the rules in your workplace or the system you have by which you file papers. If somebody says, I'd like to find a new way to file the papers, you could say, listen, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Don't interfere, just leave it the way it is. Don't change it. Ain't no way. Ain't no way means it's impossible. There is no way that that thing is going to happen. For example, imagine that I'm trying to set my friend up with a boy that I think she's really gonna like. So I tell her, please just try, I'm sure you're gonna like him, it's gonna go great. And if she's not interested, she could just say, Andrea, ain't no way I'm letting you set me up with someone. It's impossible. Stop trying. Give up. Another expression. No, say it ain't so. This means, please tell me that this isn't true. It's supposed to rain all weekend. Say it ain't so. Please tell me that that's not true. And the last one. Let's finish the same way we started. You ain't seen nothing yet. This one is fairly common, and what it means is there's a lot more to come. This is only just the beginning. So, if you like my YouTube channel so far, you ain't seen nothing yet. Thanks for watching, and if you like it so far, please subscribe to my channel, because there's a lot more to come. Bye. These teenagers, they're all day on their TikToks. Ain't it the truth?